Ready for a brand new set of drill bits? So were we. Introducing the new Grizzly Pro drill bit line, sure to improve your current mix-matched bits and bobs. Let's go down the lineup, starting with our basic bits. These high-speed steel drill bits, made with 5% cobalt, are well suited for drilling into an array of hard metals. They also feature quick-release hex shanks. Made of M2 high-speed steel is our 115-piece drill bit set. Coated in titanium, they're less likely to break, can withstand higher temperatures, and have greater durability than uncoated drill bits. This brad point bit set will drill quick and accurate holes, with less chance of breakage to your workpiece. The titanium-coated M2 high-speed steel is the same strong, long-lasting material as metal lathe tooling. This quick-release step and drill bit set is a versatile and convenient kit for any size project. Step drills are designed to incrementally drill through sheet metal and thin stock until reaching the desired hole size. Drill and countersink in one pass with the 45-degree step drill bit. These M35 high-speed steel step drill bits are well suited for drilling into any wood and an array of hard metals. Drill pilot holes and tapered countersinks with expert-level results with this 8-piece wood countersink set with quick-release hex shanks. The titanium coating ensures long life from these bits. This all-in-one impact driver bit set is made of S2 shock-resisting tool steel, then coated in black manganese phosphate, resisting corrosion while offering a versatile and extremely durable set. This 16-piece tungsten carbide bit set allows you to drill clean, flat-bottomed holes, overlapping holes, and recesses for hinges and other hardware from 1/4 inch to 2 1/8 inch. Tungsten is one of the hardest materials on the planet, ensuring these bits hold their edge much longer than steel. This 6-piece, 3-flute boring bit set is known for its exceptional hardness, featuring a number 65 high-carbon steel construction. These bits are perfect for boring through wall studs or other thick materials. Last up in this all-star lineup is our metal hole saw set with 6 different size cutters. These tungsten carbide teeth will easily cut through a variety of metals, up to 1/2 inch thick, while providing consistently clean cuts. Upgrade your shop set to a cohesive, durable, and high-quality line of Grizzly Pro drill bits. Check out the brand new line of Grizzly Pro Bits and grab yours today.